Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Next, gather your essential tools, including a set of wrenches, appropriate sockets, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you start working to prevent any burns or injuries. Now, let's remove the old alternator. Begin by using your serpentine belt tool to loosen the tensioner, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power wire and any other electrical connectors attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the alternator in place and gently remove it from the engine bay. With the old unit out, it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully position the new alternator into its bracket and secure it with the mounting bolts, tightening them firmly. Next, reconnect the main power wire and all other electrical connectors, ensuring they are snug. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt onto the pulleys, using the tensioner tool to achieve proper belt tension. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery cable, making sure it's tight and secure. Now, start your engine and observe the dashboard for any battery warning lights. Use a multimeter to check the charging voltage, which should be around 5 to 5 volts. Listen carefully for any unusual noises from the belt or the new alternator to ensure everything is running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.